it is really nice to have like the summer weather and everything, but it is also super hot. So sunshine's already played in the lake a little bit. We've gone all the way up and back to the car on this little stretch, and we will show you that from the drone spots hopefully in this cut. But all in all, it kind of just eclipses a whole side of the river that's pretty much dedicated to recreation. Good boy. You being a good boy. Hey, can you sit? Sit. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Good boy. Shake. Good boy. Puppy. Good boy. So I do have a new treat getting delivered for him. We just bought this this week, but it's gonna be an interesting summer, it seems, for sure. There's definitely a lot to document in this area, even though sometimes I complain because I miss the trees and I miss a lot of the hiking. The Columbia River alone creates a lot of opportunities for venturing out, and unfortunately for me, and having a water dog now, it makes for a little bit messier of a trip, so I have to plan more accordingly. Like, comment, throw in some extra interaction, that would be great on the channel. But we're just gonna ride the longboard. We've already gone from where we parked to the very end of where we're gonna be going for today, and then I'll go and fly the drone over the future spots so we can get a bearing on the location for you, and we hope that you enjoy. Take care. Peace.